Hi and warm greetings. I hope this message finds you in good health and peace. Despite all the health tech and gym memberships, America is still getting heavier. Why? Because the food has changed, and so has our lifestyle. We've filled our plates with chemicals, preservatives, and artificial flavors. But food was never meant to come from factories. It was meant to heal. In Ayurveda, food is medicine. We eat to nourish not just the body, but the mind and soul. Step 1. Avoid packaged foods. If it comes in a packet, it's probably harming you more than helping. Step 2. Use pure clarified butter. Pure clarified butter from grass-fed cows has been used for centuries to melt fat and heal the gut. Step 3. Eat early. Eat your last meal before sunset so your body can rest and repair, not just digest. Step 4. Avoid raw at night. Your digestive fire weakens at night, so skip the salad and juice after sunset. Step 5. Barley and chickpea flour flatbread. Swap out wheat with barley and chickpea flour. This ancient combo is a secret weapon for reducing belly fat. Step 6. Gentle movement. A brisk walk, breathing exercises, light yoga, sometimes less is more. Health isn't about hacks. It's about reconnecting with what works, what's always worked. If this wisdom speaks to your heart, subscribe and join us on this journey. Our new channel, Glow Naturally, shares ancient truths, practical solutions, and healing stories from real people just like you.